Well, my name is Joan Ramos, and I learned about you, Dr. Rick Ambrozic, from listening to the radio to Dr. Joe Esposito,
Okay.
and you were on at that time. And I was really interested in getting the stem cell thing, but you're kind of far out. So I says, I don't like to drive really far out. So I asked my daughter, she volunteered actually to take me down here. So she brought me down here to get the stem cell injection, and I'm very happy that I got it done. I am so happy. I'm trying to tell everyone about this. And people ask me questions, and they're really interested when I start telling them about it,
Yeah.
because it's
wonderful.
wonderful, fabulous.
What kind of problems were you having before you saw me? It was with your hip, right? Your right hip?
Yes, my right hip was hurting me, and I was really leaning over to the side, very very extensively leaning over to the right. And so now gradually I'm getting straighter, and I'm walking better, and I'm walking with less pain.
Fantastic.
Okay?
That's great. And you'd seen some other doctors before you saw me, and they wanted you to have surgery, is that right?
I saw one orthopedic doctor, and he said had to have hip replacement.
Wow. Okay.
But I was not enthusiastic about that idea at all.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad you
I'd
did
much
it.
rather have a stem cell injection with one little prick that was less than a mosquito bite. And it was done, and I'm good for 30 years once it kicks in fully, right?
Yeah, you're going to do great. You're doing wonderful.
Okay.
Tell me more about how you feel, like on your pain scale, where 1 to 10, where 10 is some of the
I'm
worst
down to
pain you
2 now, and I really noticed a dramatic improvement at the seventh month level. You know, it's been 7 months, and I really noticed a big difference now at 7 months.
Okay, fantastic.
So I'm walking more freely now. It just feels more natural the way I walk, and I'm really pleased with it.
When you started, before you came to see us, what was your pain level? Like an 8?
It was
9,
like a
10?
7.
7? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a big change, 7 to 2.
Yes, it is.
And did you have to use a walker, cane, any of that, or not?
Oh.
When you were getting that way?
My daughter actually went out and got me a cane, because I refused to use a cane or a walker, but she saw me walking so badly that she got me the cane. So I started using the cane, and then I don't have to use it anymore. I used to walk leaning way over to the right, and now I'm walking upright, almost just perfect. I'm so delighted with it.